Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.4 question number 8. So in this question what is given is if a plus 1 by a. So it is given as a plus 1 by a is equal to 6. Then find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube, which means a cube plus 1 by a cube. You have to find this. So let us go to the question. So in this question, let's see what is given first. Given is a plus 1 by a is equal to 6. And you have to find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. So this is what you have to find. So if you see the question, we have got cube. So you have to stick to the formula with cubes. So the very well-known formula with cube is x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. We are going to use this formula only. Let us move to the question. So in the solution, I have written the formula x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So if you compare these two, x plus y the whole cube and x cube plus y cube, we are going to find cube. So here directly we can take x is equal to a and y is equal to 1 by a. And if you substitute those values in this formula, what we get is in the place of x, see in the place of x I am going to put a. So that is a, then plus, and y we have to put 1 by a. So 1 by a cube. We have got this a plus 1 by a the whole cube formula. Then we are going to substitute this. Instead of x put a, instead of y put 1 by a, and then you can put instead of 3xy you put the 3 as such, and for x put 1 by a and y put 1 x put a and y put 1 by a. In the similarly for x put a and y put 1 by a. Just I have applied the formula with the values as x is equal to a and y is equal to 1 by a. Now moving on to the next step. So if you could see the next step, x a plus 1 by a. If you see this a plus 1 by a is given. What is given? A plus 1 by a is equal to 6. That is the only step which is given. So instead of a plus 1 by a, you can write it as 6. Since it is cube, write it as 6 cube. And in the next step, a cube, you have to write it as such. And 1 by a cube, since the a is in the denominator, 1 by a the whole cube can be written as 1 by a cube. And then this a and a will get cancelled, so it is 3 into 1, which is nothing but your 3. And this a plus 1 by a, the value is 6. You have to write the given because a plus 1 by a is equal to 6. Okay, so now if you go to the next step, this 6 cube is 6 6 are 36, 36 into 6 is 216, and this a cube and 1 by a cube, hereafter you don't have to change, you have to write it as such. So this a cube plus 1 by a cube will remain as such because that is what you have to find. Till the end it will remain as such. And this 3 into 6, 6 3s are 18. So now we have done this. Let's move on to the next step. So for the 3 times 6 you have to put 18, which is 18 here. Now if you could see, this is what we have to find. This is a constant. And now this is a variable or whichever you have to find, which remains like on the right hand side. So for the right hand side, keep it as such. Don't move it anywhere because you'll get some minuses. Just move this 18 to the other side of the equation. So when it goes to the other side, you know very well the sign changes, so it becomes minus 18. So 216 minus 18. This is what we have got, and which modifies again 216 minus 18, which is nothing but 198. And this stuff I have written it as such, which is what we have to find, and that is a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 198. So I have arrived at the answer. Now you can write it as a cube plus 1 by, you can interchange left hand side and right hand side and write it as a cube plus 1 by a cube is 198. So finally a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 198. The very much important thing over here is you have to Remember this formula, x cube plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So hope you understood this question. So do apply the formula carefully. Thanks for watching.